Hello guys, this is Jerry Santana at Ron Hoover Aviation Marine, the Ron Hoover Boat Guy. For the best deals and prices, come see me, but don't take my word for it. Here's Captain Ernest Cisneros.
I know that some of y'all are looking at purchasing a boat. I came several years ago to Jerry Santana and he fit the bill. He's honest, integrity, he's from the heart, and the most important, there was communication. And with Jerry Santana, I've had nothing but great service, and I know that he's gonna take care of me. I feel like I'm dealing with a friend.
Remember guys, come see Jerry Santana, the Ron Hoover Boat Guy.